Hey friends, welcome to our channel. My name is Bree and this is my husband Flo.
Hi, welcome.
And we are really excited to have you here today and to introduce to you our brand new, free 7-day beginner yoga program called Embark.
We both have been practicing for several years, but we remember back then the entry into yoga was not that easy. There's so many different styles, so many different studios and offerings out there, so it's sometimes hard to know what about and what's the difference and where to start, where to begin. And we have already lots of content on this channel, classes, tutorials, meditations, breath work, all sorts of things to help you with your practice at home. And we put together our previous program, the 28-day yoga program, which was called Ignite. But we heard from a lot of people that it's still a bit too challenging and not ideal for your entry into yoga. This is why we put together this program called Embark, which really helps you embark on this journey of yoga to help you get into the practice, really know what it's about, learn the foundations, learn breathwork, meditation, what the whole yoga thing is about, move your body. And we're super excited to make this available for you on this platform.
This program is specifically designed and targeted for people who are brand new to body movement or brand new to yoga. So if you already have an athletic background, or if you've been doing yoga in the past and maybe you took a little break, then we recommend heading straight over to the Ignite program instead, our 28-day program. This is really for people who are new to body movement, who are exploring the idea of finding movement in your body every day.
This is a 7-day program, so that means there are 7 classes, 1 class for every day. As you might know or might not even know, in yoga there is really not just only poses and only flexibility. Most people think it's all about flexibility. It's part of it, of course, but it's a very small part. All the poses you're doing in yoga is just one tool in the toolbox of yoga, the yoga system. And in a formal practice that you can do on your mat, you can practice, of course, all these poses and movements, but there's also breathwork practice you can do and meditation. So in this program, in those classes, we broke down every single class in those 3 parts. So there's movement, there is breath work, and there is meditation. One class is 30 minutes long. We do 20 minutes of movement and about 5 minutes of breath work, and then a short 5-minute meditation in the end to really give you the full idea of a formal practice on your mat that you can do every day, and which hopefully then extends into everything else you do in your day-to-day life and extends into all the activities that you do to really make it yoga and to live the lifestyle of a yogi.
We understand that you're joining us from the comfort of your own home, and so therefore for this series you're not really going to need a whole lot of props with you. The only thing we recommend is having a yoga mat. If you don't have that, you could also use the carpet. The second thing is a yoga strap or a belt. You really don't need much for this program, just those 2 things. Otherwise, the carpet is fine. The only thing that you really need for this program is an open mind, determination, and motivation to continue stepping on your mat each day, at least for those first 7 days, just so you get the full variety of sequences in breath work and meditation. And then at the end of the 7 days, we will wrap up the series in that playlist to give you the next steps of where to go with this and what to do with it, and kind of give you an opportunity to reflect on how that first week was.
Thank you for being with us here, for starting the program. You are off to a great start. The journey begins here, your journey into yoga. And tomorrow, you'll begin with day 1. We will both be in the video with you, so you can see us in your living room. You roll out your mat or carpet and we practice all together.
Maybe you've been one of those people who have said, oh, I need to start yoga, I need to try yoga, I should try yoga, I should be doing yoga. But yet another day goes by and you haven't started doing yoga. So this program is really designed for you to finally take that step. And every long journey begins with 1 step, and this is it. So we have spent a lot of time creatively designing these sequences and putting together this package that is free for you. The only thing you have to do is start on day 1 and make that tomorrow. Don't wait another day. It's just 30 minutes in your day, and do it for a full week and then see where you're at. Maybe after that week, you at least have an idea of what yoga is and what meditation and breath work is, and from there, you can take your own direction with it. Either way, it will be beneficial for you no matter what. Give it a try, don't wait another day, and we'll see you on the mat tomorrow.
We're so excited to share this program with you. We'll see you on the mat soon. Namaste.
Namaste.